Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're not, I'm G, and today I'm back with another hair tutorial, and this time it is how to construct your own V-part wig. And I have a sponsor. The sponsor is WingsbyHerGivenHair. They sent me 2 bundles of their Kinky straight, and in my last hair tutorial I talked about how texture extensions is like the thing. Like, you need to get you some kinky curly, some yaki straight, some kinky straight, some type of texture extension when you're doing your hair, because it just makes everything look more natural, seamless, like it just blends like a dream. And I think the last video I reviewed yaki straight, so this time I have kinky straight from a different hair company, and I am in love. Chef's kiss. This hair is so good, y'all. Like, it's so, like, this is probably some of the best hair extensions I've ever had in my life. Like, the hair is so good. It's so full. For 2 bundles, look at this. This is 2 bundles. It's crazy. And I have very minimal leave out with my V part. It's crazy. The hair is so good. And I have a discount code. So please try it. Like, I'm not just saying this. Like, really, please try this hair out. Try textured extensions out, period. And this hair company specializes in textured extensions. So I'll just get right into what they sent me. They sent me this nice silk bag that had the bundles in it. And then they sent me, look at the packaging. Who is that? There is a black queen on there. This is actually Amara La Negra from Love and Hip Hop. So yeah, she is a brand ambassador for this company, and she has like this written note, and then they also have like this manual that shows you like how to upkeep your hair. Look, another black queen. Like, they are, like I said, they really specialize in texture. Look at this. Like, the packaging, everything. It even has recommended products like Diva Curl, Curls, Blueberry Bliss, Miel. Like, they have a list of like products that go really well with their hair. So I don't know what other hair companies do stuff like that, but WingsbyHerGivenHair, they did the thing. Like, they really did the thing. This hair is amazing. Okay, I'm rambling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I make beauty and luxury and lifestyle type content. If that's your thing, hit the button below. I'm going to show you how I constructed this wig. So simple. I used a hot glue gun. It took me less than an hour. I'm going to show you how it straightens, and I'm going to show you how I got these like really pretty waves. So yeah, just keep watching. I'm going to stop talking and let's just get into this hair. Constructing this wig was so easy. So all I did was just measure out the length of the tracks that I needed, and I just cut it, and I took my hot glue gun, I put it on the weft, and then I just glued it. It's so easy, y'all. I really recommend this way. I mean, you can sew it, but I just feel like it takes longer. And if you have a sewing machine and know how to do that, that's probably easy too, but I don't know how to do that, so I just used the hot glue gun. This is a mesh cap that I'm using. It's perfect. It's a wig cap. Like, it says make your own wig on the packaging. So yeah, you can get it at your local beauty supply store. But yeah, y'all, this was so freaking easy. So I just continue to measure out the track, cut it, and then just glue it down. I did it in like a kind of U motion, and I made sure that I got it to the ends of the wig. And yeah, it's really, really that simple. You can also see the natural texture of this hair. So it did kind of have like some curls at the root, and then it kind of got a little straighter towards the ends. So it really gave like a blown out look. And right here, I did take an eyeliner pencil and measured out just a straight line right in the middle of the front of the wig cap. So like how you would do a middle part. I pinned down the tracks around that marker, and then I just glued around it. So that is going to be your V. So you're basically just going to cut, after you construct the wig, you're just going to cut right down that line that you made, and then you're just going to have a V part. It's so easy. And so after I glued it around that line, I just sectioned off that part that I just glued, and then I just continued to glue the tracks around it. I wanted to do this part first just to make sure that I had enough hair and just to know like where I needed to place everything. But yeah, it's really simple, you guys. So Like I said, I just glued it around that line that I drew, sectioned it off, and then just continued to glue. Right here, you can see how full and thick this wig was, y'all. So crazy. So I did go in with my T3 airbrush and I just kind of blew it out some more just so that I can get like a really sleek silk press. But this hair was so thick. Like, that's all I can say is this hair was so thick. But it was thick in a good way. Like, it really mimicked natural hair. And like I said, you can see like the crinkles, like the curls at the root, and then how it got straight at the ends. Highly, highly recommend this hair. Now for the real test. Look how well this hair flat ironed. It basically got silky straight. Like, look at that. I'm going to show you up close. It was just like, I did not think it was going to get that straight. I was pleasantly surprised. It's so nice. Look at it. Look at the luster. Like, and I did use my flat iron on 450, the hottest. Look at that. Beautiful. So this is my almost 3-week-old silk press. It's pretty old, so I think this is like the best time to do this type of style. So let me show you guys the wig off of my head and not curled. So this is what it looks like, the inside, and then this is the V. And I also went ahead and sewn in some clips right around the V just to make it secure on my head. And yeah, so like I mentioned before, I dyed the bundles jet black. I did throw some layers into the hair and I straightened it, and it straightened so beautifully, and it's so thick. I don't know if you guys can, if it's like reading off camera, but it's so thick. This hair is so thick. It was 2 bundles. It's so thick. It's really nice. I really highly recommend this hair company and their textured extensions. Like, truly, honestly, like, no more silky, no more body wave, no more Eurasian, none of that. Like, we need to get with the hair that looks like our hair and mimics our hair for real. So yeah, this is the wig. I'm going to go ahead and section off my V. And you don't really need a lot of leave out with V parts. That's why I love those types of wigs. I feel like with U parts, you need more hair to cover the actual wig. So with the V, you kind of get minimal leave out. So this is the leave out I'm going to do. And then I'm just going to take the rest of my hair and put it into a low bun. So no, I'm not going to braid it because this is a very temporary style. If you wanted to do this like for a few days, I would recommend braiding your hair. Well, honestly, you don't gotta braid it. You don't have to. So yeah, just threw my hair in a bun. I have my leave out. Gonna clip it, and it's so easy. Throw the thing right on. Unclip your leave out. Make sure your part is good. There we go. So it's that simple. Let me fix the part. And there you have it. So like I said, this hair literally looks like my hair when it's blown out and silk pressed. Like, where is my hair? Where is the wig? you cannot even tell. It's crazy. It's so crazy. The match, I love the density, the thickness, like, and if I really wanted to, I could just wear it like this, honestly, truly. But no, I want to throw some wand curls in, and I think that would be really, really cute. I did hear that the Kinky straight texture hair doesn't hold a curl, and I don't know how true that is. Like I said, it did flat on like a dream. So we'll see if it holds curls or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some wand curls in it just to stand up. It was 22 inches, and I did kind of go in and throw like some layers in it. So this is what it looks like with no curls, straightened. It's really, really pretty. You see how it just moves, like it's not stiff, like, Is this my hair? Is this my hair? So yeah, let me go ahead and put some wand curls in it, and then I will come back and show you the final results. Okay, so I finished wand curling it. I really like the way these look. Like, this hair is just so full. Like, it's throwing me off. Like, I think this is probably some of the best bundles I've ever had, like, honestly. And I'm not even just saying that because Her Given Hair is sponsoring this. These bundles, like, look at the luster. Like, it just looks like I just have long, full hair. And I don't. I'm really pleased with how this turned out. I love the way my hair looks. This is something so easy and simple to do. Like, constructing the wig with a hot glue gun is easy. Installing it is easy. Like, it's just so effortless. You don't have to curl it if you don't want to. You can definitely wear it in its blown out state. You can just blow your hair out and have it blend seamlessly. You can silk press it, you can curl it. I even think this will look cute with like flexi rods, like some type of foam and lotion and flexi rod in it and drying it. I think that would be really cute. It would be really big too, but this is just so pretty. Like, I'm looking in my mirror over here, but I am loving the way this hair turned out. So don't forget to use my code. It is G, and it'll save you some money off. I'll have everything in the description. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this hair tutorial. I started my first video on my channel with a hair tutorial, so that is really my thing. Like, that is my roots. So I'm happy to be back doing all these little hair tutorials for you guys. I hope that this could be maybe like a holiday look for you, since Thanksgiving is over, maybe Christmas or New Year's. But yeah, get into this hair. Look at it. It's so big and so pretty. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know down below, and I will see you in the next one.